Hey everyone, and welcome back. Want to know immediately when someone books a meeting with you? In this video, I'll show you how to send Calendly notifications straight to your team's Slack channel. First, log into your Calendly account. From the left sidebar, click on Integrations. Find Slack in the list of available apps and click Connect. You'll be prompted to choose your Slack workspace and sign in to authorize the connection. Once connected, you can customize your notification settings. Choose which event types should trigger a notification, like when a new meeting is scheduled or canceled then. Select the specific Slack channel or direct message where you want these alerts to appear. A dedicated channel like #new-leads or #bookings works perfectly. Now, whenever someone books a time on your Calendly, a clean, formatted message will pop up in Slack instantly. It shows the invitee's name, email, and the meeting time, so your whole team stays in the loop. And that's it. You've just created a seamless connection that keeps everyone informed the moment your calendar gets updated. If this keeps your team more coordinated, let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.